Tiffany McIntosh, back with your next Macintosh Minute. And today we're going to talk about your retirement recipe for success. So in your retirement recipe, what we need to be careful of is looking out for the increasing interest rates, the environment that we're having. And we do not want to see that put a damper on your income in retirement. Most widely, that's what people are bringing up when they come here is a sustainable income. So let's get our recipes together. First of all, we need to put protection inside of this recipe. When we are looking to retire, we do not want too much risk on our assets, and we need to protect what we build. Secondly, we still need to see accumulation. We just talked about interest rates, and they are on the rise, so we must hedge the increasing inflation that we're seeing and the interest rate. So let's make sure that we are getting still some growth inside of our recipe bowl. Tax deferral. I know this is roughly tax time, a good time to talk about tax rates on the rise. And if you are not already putting together a successful tax plan to holistically look at saving money on taxes in the future, you need to come and join our recipe for success. Last but not least is income. The most important probably of all when you're in retirement is sustaining income for the number of 30 plus years you could be spending inside of retirement, enjoying these lovely cookies. And if you're me, you might even take a bite out of the dough. Bye for now.